Hey guys, it's Katie here from Katie DeGroff Knits, and I am going to show you my very favorite bind off when the last row you work is a slip one, knit one pattern. This will also work for a purl one, slip one as well. This is the last rows that are worked on my Gutterflower wrap, which I'm wearing, and I'm going to show you in my example. So I'm going to flip you around and we're going to get started. We are now ready to work our bind off. Our last row completed is a slip one, knit one, slip one, knit one. This will also work for a purl one, slip one as well. Now when you first begin this bind off, there are two small setup steps that will only be worked across your first few stitches. You will begin by knitting the first two stitches, and just as in a regular bind off, passing the first one worked over the second one worked. Then you will bring your yarn to the front, purl one, yarn over one. With your yarn still in front, you're going to slip the purl one over and off your needle, and then slip the knit one over and off your needle. And you will see that here. This is just repeated across the entire rest of your bind off. Step one is knit one, slip your previously worked stitch over and off, just as in a traditional bind off. Then step two is we bring our working yarn to the front, purl one, yarn over one, leave this working yarn to the front, take our middle stitch here, which is our purl one, slip him up and over the yarn over, right off the needle, then come over here to our knit one, slip him up and over our yarn over and off the needle. So I'll show that to you one more time. Step one, knit one, slip one, and off. Bring working yarn to the front, purl one, yarn over one. Bring your middle stitch, which is your purl one, over and off your yarn over. Then take your knit one, over and off. And all you're left is your yarn over. This bind off is meant to be worked when your first or last row is a knit one, slip one. This is my cast on edge. This is my bind off edge. And you cannot tell the difference. They both have the same stretch, and they will not ruffle, and they will not be too snug. So this is an excellent bind off when you are working a slip one, knit one pattern. I want to thank you for joining me in seeing my favorite bind off when you're working a slip one, knit one pattern. It leaves a nice, just stretchy enough edge where you won't get ruffles and it won't be too snug. And if done correctly, you can't tell the bind off edge from the cast on edge. So it's a win-win. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my podcast and subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when I post a new video. Thank you for joining me and happy knitting!